because people there, they don't really know who you are. When you bully somebody, Paulo Cruzada, this is your karma. If Teacher May's mom died, I'm not making a death threat, who will bring her in hospital if Teacher May has her mother has a heart attack? Oh, this is your consequence, Paulo Cruzada. If Teacher May's mom died, that is your responsibility. Me, I never want to criticize Teacher May because she is my teacher. First of all, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop harassing Teacher May, or else I will bash you in my YouTube video. Just like I said, if I'm saying if I want to bash you in my YouTube video, I will retaliate against you, Paulo Cruzada. I'm just saying, I will retaliate you. That means in Filipino, babanatan kita, Paulo Cruzada. That's the word. Paulo Cruzada, just stop harassing Teacher May. As I'm saying, tigilan mo na si Teacher May. I'm telling you, Paulo Cruzada, just leave her alone. If you don't leave her alone, if you continue harassing at Teacher May Tiburcio, her family against you. Oh, you need to better what you're doing, Paulo Cruzada. You better need to stop what you're doing. It's not right thing to harass Teacher May. Teacher May, as I mentioned, she's really retired. I was told by Sir Paulo Cuba. Last 2022, I talked with Sir Paulo Cuba in Messenger before I was in 3 years in hiatus before the incident of David Gill. Sir Paulo Cuba says to me, Teacher May is going to retire very soon. She's already retired, Paulo Cruzada. Unlike Teacher Chris, unlike Teacher Mirna, both of them, they are already retired. Oh, can you just stop invading the privacy of Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada? You do not know why was Teacher May is already retired in CDIFI? She's already retired. I've been shared that rumor from Sir Paulo Cuba when I talked to him in Messenger last 2021. Can you just stop harassing Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada? Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May says to me, oh, she chatted me in Messenger. I will make Paulo Cruzada pay for this. I will make Paulo Cruzada pay for his consequence. If he ever harass me again, I will report him to the police, or I will report him to the NBI, or I will report him to the NBI Cybercrime Division. Oh, not only NBI will report, she will report it to the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. Paulo Cruzada, as I am saying to you, I just wanna tell you, for almost a year, for 2 years ago, last year, you attacked Teacher May. Last year, 2024, you attacked Teacher May. You attempt to rape her. Can you just stop invading her privacy? Huh? Paulo Cruzada? First of all, you attack Joseph Maspinas. Second is Teacher May. After Teacher May, Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? I'm asking to everyone, even to all my friends in CDIFI, even Wawel Romero, Buddy Castro, Kathleen Canete, Sir Paulo Cuba, Jens Manaid, and including everyone, even Bruce Altabas, and even Luis Cabales. All of you, just block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Even I just want to tell to Rafa Soco and Ronald Rebena, just block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Can you believe that Paulo Cruzada is attacking Teacher May? Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you, Paulo Cruzada. Why you threaten to hostage Teacher May? Why you threaten to rape Teacher May? I am saying, this is my answer to over at you. I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada. Ano bang problema mo kay Teacher May? What is your problem? You are very irrational, you are very defiant, you are very rationale, and you are very resilient. So, I will never going to forgive you, Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May will never forgive you. So, that I will never going to forgive him. You know, this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada.